Welcome to Milan Creation, where every saree tells a story, painted with passion and perfected by tradition. A saree begins with its soul, the design. And at Milan Creation, we cherish three beautiful techniques. First, hand printing. Here, artists paint each saree lovingly by hand. Every stroke carries their time, emotion, and delicate touch. Each line a new story. Second, block printing. Designs carved onto wooden blocks are stamped onto fabric by master artisans whose skills pass through generations. Even the same motif feels different each time because each print bears the mark of the human hand. Third, screen printing. A modern process using fine mesh to layer colors precisely. Fast, yet elegant, this style offers a blend of efficiency and grace. With any of these, a Milan Creation saree begins its journey not just as a fabric, but as a living canvas of art. After printing, the saree is dried in open air, allowing the colors to settle firmly into the fabric for the next steps. Next comes steaming. The heat helps fix the colors deeply, so they stay vibrant wash after wash. After steaming, the saree is gently washed in a chemical bath, making the colors permanent and the fabric soft and smooth. Then it's dried again under pure sunlight, bringing out the saree's natural radiance. Polishing is done in three stages. First with a wooden roller, then by machine, and finally hand polished by an expert, together giving the saree its flawless, glossy finish. Lastly, the saree is folded and packed with love and delivered to your doorstep. A dream wrapped in art and tradition. Milan Creation, where every saree is a masterpiece, woven with love, finished with care, and meant for you.